Alright, Craig, here's our air compressor. The gauge on the left is at 100. That's the internal tank pressure, so it's already filled up and then stopped. And then the outlet pressure is at, I don't know if you can read it, but it's like at 40. The next big mark is 50. So my thinking is that I need to keep the outlet pressure not too much higher than I want the tire pressure to be, and that'll make it easier for the valve stems to be pushed down. Okay, so here's my little attachment, and it's pretty easy to just, no problems. Okay, now let's go up to the bicycle tire, and I've taken a lot of air out, so there's not much pressure, but you can hear. Anyway, that thing depresses and air comes out. So now let's put the two together. The first thing you'll hear is going to be the air coming out of I think the compressors, the hose side, because it triggers pretty easily. Wait, that's probably the tire letting air out. And I put the two together. Hang on, let me get a good connection here. Hang on. There's so much air out of the tire now that it's a pain in the ass. Okay, there. I have a good connection between the two. And everything just stops. Like there's no air that wait, there it goes. Holy crap. I just got it accidentally. Let's see, what the hell was going on? Huh. Well, that's a little better. Let's see. Now, I hit it just right and I think it worked. There it goes. Huh. I guess you gotta get it just right.